The Pentagon by Barronett Blinds is the world's first 5-sided hunting hub blind. Its unique design adds 70% more interior room than similar 4-sided hub blinds, offering a footprint of 41.5 square feet. This extra room is ideal for group hunts, extra gear, camera equipment, or wheelchairs. The large panoramic windows cover 3 sides of the Pentagon and allow a wide-angle view around the hunter. Each interior window is made of replaceable shoot-through camo mesh, and the 3 center windows feature gun ports. The windows can be opened or covered in countless variations with their zipperless, noise-free fasteners. The Pentagon is covered in blood trail backwoods camouflage. Like all Barronett blinds, the Pentagon's framework is constructed from heavy-duty fiberglass poles and strong metal hubs. It sets up and takes down in under 1 minute. When you're ready to move, the blind slips into the included carrying bag and only weighs 20 pounds for easy travel. Take the Pentagon on your next hunt and go big with Barronett Blinds.